Tengzhou Fuxin Group. It is a new generation of information technology, deeply integrated with manufacturing, digitization, networking, intelligent new benchmark industrial machine tool enterprise. The group has several subsidiaries, have a national specialized special Nuki small giant enterprise, two national specialized no small giant enterprises. For national high-tech enterprises, we have high-end 5XO car series composite products, flexible and changeable automated flexible products, large horizontal boring and milling machine products, cost-effective vertical machining center products. Manufacturing has entered the era of software-defined manufacturing. Business decision-making issues, design and development problems, managing coordination costs such as labor issues. It will be the future of enterprises. The greatest survival and development challenge: AI human-machine dialogue programming model, AI digital twin engine, automatic production line remote operation and maintenance platform, fast work order production management system, enterprise from R&D sales to production and after sales, real-time collaboration throughout the process, equipment operating parameters, energy consumption, product failure rate, etc. Accurate intelligent analysis provide a scientific basis for decision-making. We analyze large amounts of machine tool user processing data, solve various processing problems in the industry, develop tailor-made special knives. The next 10 years will be the last decade of traditional enterprise digitalization. If you are not ready to change now, in 10 years, it will be the target of digital poverty reduction. Feeding back the upgrade of the manufacturing industry with AI intelligent innovation. Kingdom Fuxin Group, with deep technical accumulation, with extensive practical experience, tailor-made one-stop exclusive service delivery for enterprises, create a digital future together, leading the manufacturing industry towards a new era of digitalization, networking and intelligence.